In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments in Smartsheet. If you've ever struggled to keep project files with the rows they belong to, this walkthrough will make it simple. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser. Once your workspace loads, choose the sheet where you want to work. For the clearest layout, make sure you're in grid view so you can see your rows, columns, and any existing attachments at a glance. Decide where your file should live. Click the specific cell if the attachment supports that one detail. Or click the row number on the far left to highlight the entire row if the file relates to the whole task. Row-level attachments are great for specs, contracts, or any document that multiple cells reference. To add the file, look for the paperclip icon, either on the row's left side menu or up in the toolbar. Click it and choose your source. You can upload directly from your computer or connect from cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Select the file and confirm with Open or Attach. Smartsheet will place a small paperclip indicator so you immediately know something's attached. If you need more than one file, simply repeat the same action on that row or cell. Smartsheet supports multiple attachments per row, which is perfect for versions, supporting images, and related spreadsheets. Quick note before we continue. If you need Smartsheet, I've placed a link to the website right at the top of the description so you can open it quickly and follow along. To manage what you've added, hover over any attachment to get a quick preview. Click the three dots next to a file for options like Download to save a local copy, Delete to remove it, or Rename so it's easier for teammates to recognize. Clear, consistent names help a lot when you're managing many files. Collaboration works the way you'd expect. Anyone with the right permissions on the sheet can view or download attachments. Use the comments panel to mention teammates and reference a file by name so discussions stay tied to the work. Finally, know that Smartsheet autosaves your attachments. Keep things tidy by labeling rows clearly and, if you're linking from cloud storage, organizing those folders so the connection stays intuitive over time. That's it. Adding attachments in Smartsheet keeps every file right where your team needs it. Thanks for watching.